Feeling stuck in a funk? What if simple daily habits could boost your mood? Backed by real science. Welcome to Mood Boosters That Work, where we dive into neuroscience-backed strategies to lift your spirits, sharpen your mind, and energize your day. From mindful breathing to movement and gratitude practices, discover easy, proven ways to rewire your brain for happiness. Let's explore how small changes can create big shifts in how you feel every single day. Today, we will talk about mood boosters that work, daily habits backed by neuroscience. So before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. 1. Exercise and brain chemistry. Physical exercise is one of the most potent mood boosters, deeply rooted in neuroscience. When you exercise, your brain releases neurotransmitters such as endorphins, dopamine, serotonin, and norepinephrine. These chemicals are often called feel-good neurotransmitters because they reduce pain perception, enhance pleasure, and improve emotional regulation. Endorphins, for example, create a natural euphoria, often called the runner's high. Dopamine is linked to motivation and reward, while serotonin regulates mood and social behavior. Research shows that regular aerobic exercise can reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression, sometimes as effectively as medication. Importantly, even short bursts of moderate exercise, like a 15-minute walk, can trigger these chemical changes, making it an accessible, science-backed mood enhancer. 2. Mindfulness and neuroplasticity. Mindfulness meditation, rooted in ancient practices, is now a focus of modern neuroscience for mood improvement. Regular mindfulness practice has been shown to increase gray matter density in brain regions related to emotional regulation, such as the prefrontal cortex and hippocampus. These structural changes reflect improved neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to adapt and rewire itself. Mindfulness also reduces activity in the amygdala, the brain's fear and stress center, leading to lowered anxiety and depression symptoms. Through focused attention on the present moment and non-judgmental awareness, individuals train their brain to reduce rumination and negative thought patterns, which are often culprits in mood disorders. Incorporating daily mindfulness exercises, even for 10 minutes, can promote lasting mood stabilization and emotional resilience. 3. Sleep's role in mood regulation. Sleep is a critical yet often overlooked factor in mood regulation, with profound effects on brain function. Neuroscientific studies reveal that insufficient sleep disrupts the balance of neurotransmitters and hormones that control mood, such as serotonin and cortisol. Poor sleep impairs the prefrontal cortex ability to regulate emotions and increases amygdala reactivity, making individuals more prone to anxiety and irritability. Conversely, good quality sleep supports memory consolidation, emotional processing, and stress resilience. The brain's glymphatic system, responsible for clearing metabolic waste, is more active during deep sleep stages, helping maintain neural health. Establishing a consistent sleep schedule, minimizing blue light exposure before bedtime, and creating a calming environment are neuroscience-backed habits that significantly enhance mood and cognitive function. 4. Nutrition and neurotransmitter synthesis. The food you eat directly influences brain chemistry and mood by providing the building blocks for neurotransmitter synthesis. Essential nutrients such as omega-3 fatty acids, B vitamins, amino acids, and antioxidants play crucial roles. Omega-3s, found in fish and flax seeds, are fundamental components of neuronal membranes and influence serotonin and dopamine receptor function. B vitamins, especially B6, B9, folate, and B12, are vital for the production of neurotransmitters and methylation processes that regulate gene expression related to mood. Amino acids like tryptophan serve as precursors for serotonin synthesis. Studies link diets rich in whole foods, vegetables, and lean proteins with lower rates of depression and anxiety, whereas processed foods high in sugar and saturated fats correlate with poorer mental health outcomes. A balanced, nutrient-rich diet supports optimal brain function and mood stability. 5. Social connection and oxytocin. Human beings are inherently social creatures, and social connection profoundly influences mood through neurochemical pathways. Positive social interactions stimulate the release of oxytocin, often dubbed the love hormone, which promotes bonding, trust, and feelings of safety. Oxytocin also dampens the stress response by inhibiting cortisol release, helping to regulate mood. Neuroscience demonstrates that loneliness and social isolation can lead to increased inflammation and altered brain function, which contribute to depression and anxiety. On the other hand, supportive relationships activate reward circuits in the brain involving dopamine, enhancing feelings of happiness. Engaging in meaningful social activities, expressing empathy, and nurturing close relationships are daily habits backed by neuroscience to elevate mood and emotional well-being. 6. Nature exposure and stress reduction. Spending time in natural environments has measurable effects on brain activity linked to mood improvement. Research shows that exposure to green spaces decreases cortisol levels, the body's primary stress hormone, and reduces activity in the subgenual prefrontal cortex, a brain area associated with rumination and depression. Nature also increases parasympathetic nervous system activation, promoting relaxation and reducing anxiety. These effects are partly explained by attention restoration theory, which suggests that natural settings replenish cognitive resources depleted by sustained mental effort. Additionally, natural light exposure helps regulate circadian rhythms and serotonin production, both critical for mood stabilization. Integrating regular time outdoors, walking in parks, gardening, or simply sitting in natural settings is a simple, neuroscience-supported daily habit that boosts mood and reduces mental fatigue. 7. Gratitude practice and brain reward systems. Practicing gratitude has been shown to activate brain areas linked to reward, such as the ventral striatum and medial prefrontal cortex, resulting in enhanced mood and well-being. Neuroscience indicates that reflecting on positive aspects of life increases dopamine and serotonin levels, creating a positive feedback loop that reinforces gratitude as a habit. Regular gratitude journaling or verbal expressions can reduce symptoms of depression and increase optimism. This practice shifts focus away from negative thought patterns and promotes cognitive reframing, which is beneficial for emotional resilience. By consistently recognizing and appreciating small daily blessings, individuals can reshape neural pathways toward positivity, fostering sustained mood improvement. 8. Cognitive behavioral techniques for mood control. Cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, techniques leverage neuroplasticity to change maladaptive thought patterns that negatively affect mood. CBT encourages individuals to identify, challenge, and reframe distorted thoughts, reducing the activation of brain circuits linked to anxiety and depression. Neuroimaging studies reveal increased activity in the prefrontal cortex and decreased amygdala reactivity following CBT, indicating improved emotional regulation. Daily application of CBT strategies, such as thought records or behavioral experiments, trains the brain to respond more adaptively to stress and setbacks. This proactive approach rewires neural pathways for better mood control and long-term resilience, making CBT-based habits a powerful neuroscience-supported tool to improve mental health and daily mood. But if you like this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up, leave a comment, and click the button to subscribe.